Hey everybody, it's Brooke with Re-Fabbed. Happy Tuesday. I had to think, is anybody else like me and like, what day is it? I don't even know, but happy Tuesday to you. Believe it or not, this is my very first time ever Mod Podging a napkin, and I'm doing it live. So, it's kind of funny. I hope it turns out. My friend Tracy Pounds, she literally, Create with Tracy, she is like the napkin queen, and she does the cutest stuff all the time, and I've just never done it. We're gonna Mod Podge a napkin live for the first time because I've never done this. You would think I have because it's been around forever, but not me. I'm late to the game a lot of times, seems like. So, we're going to go ahead and link the shirt, just so you know. It's brand new in the store. Y'all know how our t-shirts go. Fast, basically. And it says, pray without ceasing. And it's just so cute. The pink, super cute. So, let's get to Mod Podging. Who likes lemons? Raise your hand. Who is into the lemon theme? I am. I love lemons. I always have. I just think they're bright and cheery. And so well, goodness, it's probably been about 2 months ago before this quarantine and we couldn't go anywhere. I got this package of, what am I trying to say? Lemon napkins. I'm so sorry. From Dollar General for $1, y'all. Seriously, $1 for these, okay? And they're just really cute. And y'all don't pay attention to my nails right now. I let my kids, my son and my daughter, give me a manicure, and they were hilarious because Eden does a really good job, but Blaze would start at the top and go down toward the cuticle, and it was everywhere. So anyway, it's pretty fun. So they're rough. I understand that. So anyway, let's do this. This is what I had in mind for today. I have this 8x8 burlap canvas from Hobby Lobby. It looks like this on the back. Came from Hobby Lobby. Not now. Hobby Lobby is closed, unfortunately. But I cannot wait to peruse those aisles and see what all I can find when it opens up. I'm so ready. So I got this 8x8. Then this is from the old Dollar Tree. It's one of those little skinny canvas boards. And here's what I'm thinking. I'm going to take my napkin, and I'm going to show y'all how to do it while I learn, because I've never done it myself before. I've just watched other cool people do it. And I'm going to Mod Podge this napkin onto my little Dollar Tree canvas. Okay? And then I'm going to put it onto my burlap canvas. This might not even be cute. Hopefully it will though, okay? So that's what we're going to do. Now, I learned that the trick to Mod Podging a cute napkin, because you can Mod Podge it onto wood, you can Mod Podge a napkin onto anything. It's really cool. So if this works out good, I might be Mod Podging all the things. So you just find a napkin you like. Like I said, these are from Dollar General for $1. And it looks like this. Well, obviously this is the only part I really care to use. But the key is this. When you get a napkin that you like, from what I've read, you have to tear apart the top layer. Tear it off, okay? You don't want to just Mod Podge it on like it is. You're supposed to take the layer off. That can be the tricky part, because you want to get just this top layer, and it's very thin. So you got to be careful not to rip it, okay? So I already started this one, and I'm just going to slowly pull it off, trying really hard not to rip the napkin, because all we want is this top part that's really pretty, okay? This is learning from me too, for me too. I've never done this, like I said, but I've been wanting to. It's been around forever. I just hadn't done it. So I'm pulling it off, pulling this layer of the napkin off. It is a little tricky on some napkins to get this layer off, or I mean to find the layer to pull. But once you do, it's coming off easy. I'm just trying not to be real fast because I don't want to tear it, tear a hole in it. I'm not going to be as easy once I get past the design of the lemons. See, now that I've got that part pulled off, I can kind of be a little... So, I've torn the top part of the napkin off. Like I said, it was layered, so you kind of pull it off gently, okay? And then I'm going to take this beautiful lemon part, and I'm going to lay it onto my little small canvas from Dollar Tree. It's like a little, I don't know if this is a 4x6 or a 5x7, but it's small, and it's from Dollar Tree, not Dollar General. I haven't seen them at Dollar General. That doesn't mean they're not there. Okay, so it's not the perfect size for this lemon, but that's okay. We can just do the best we can with it. I'm just going to lay it on here. And then I'm going to just kind of tear it off around the sides. This is my first time. I've told y'all, this is my first time. Y'all are doing this with me. I've never done a napkin before. So... I'm learning. So we're just gonna lay it. I know for sure you're gonna have to be pretty careful because it's thin. And when it's thin, it has the tendency to want to bubble up, okay? Okay. So I've got it laying on here like this, okay? And now I'm just gonna take my Mod Podge. Okay. I'm going to take my Mod Podge and my paintbrush and just start kind of painting it on. I hope I'm doing this right. Or I hope it works. It's going to be funny if it's a big fail. Well, it won't be funny, actually. I'm going to be mad. If I came live and had a big old fail, that'll be okay. It won't be the first time. And definitely probably won't be the last time. So I'm trying to get this on here, and I'm Mod Podging this bad boy on, this cute lemon napkin. And if this don't work, guess what? Or try something else. And I'm sorry about the Elvis hair. I've been laughing all day at my hair. It's like, thank you very much. You know, like that. I can't do anything with that Elvis hair today. It's like funny. All over here in my eyes. Oh gosh. This is my first time doing this. This is my first time doing this napkin. If it's bad, we'll just all watch together and laugh together, okay? And then we'll just figure out something else while we're live. I don't know. At least maybe it'll be entertaining. So it looks like it's working. Okay, looks like it's gonna be okay, hopefully. Yeah, I got a little more bubbles than I wish I had, but I'm not too worried about that. It'll still be a fun project, be cute in the end. This would be cute on clear glass jars to use as canisters. Yes, it would, Linda, absolutely. Absolutely, it'd be super cute like that. Let's see, what in the world? Okay, so I am tearing up this napkin like nobody's business. This is a disaster because I didn't do it right probably. Oh, geez Louise. This is so funny. I'm just going to smooth it back down a little bit. We're going to pretend I did it right. Tracy would be so disappointed in me. She's the napkin Mod Podge queen, like I mentioned earlier. She's going to watch me and be like, oh no. She has butchered it. It's okay. Okay. I'm a little embarrassed to show y'all, but it's okay. So here is my, you probably can't tell from back here. But here's my little canvas from Dollar Tree. So this is a little Dollar Tree canvas I've had for a while. And I put a napkin on it. I Mod Podged it. I don't know what I'm doing. And I kind of messed up, but it's still okay. It's still kind of cute. I'm going to let it dry because I think that's going to be what's best so that I don't mess it up even worse. And we will go from there. So now let's move on to the next step. Putting it on the burlap, okay? So I'm going to let it dry now so I'll mess with it later. I might even add something on top of it later. But what I'm wanting to do now is put this, I'm going to hot glue this canvas right here to this canvas right here. And once this dries later, I'll probably really distress it up and stuff like that. And I don't know, something. We'll end up making it good in the end. Here's what's the truth. I want all y'all to know this. I am not a pro. I may have, several followers on Facebook watching my crafts, and that's awesome and amazing. But listen, I am no pro crafter, no pro decorator. I do what I love, and I have a lot of fun, and I'm glad that y'all are here. And I do a lot of things that are really cute. I do a lot of things that are a mess. Literally, all of us. Thank you, Jen. That's exactly, we learn by experimenting. So, like I said, this is the first time I've ever tried this. It was a tiny bit of a disaster. It's just the way it is. It didn't turn out exactly like I hoped, but I guarantee you, most of y'all, when y'all do a project for the first time, it probably doesn't turn out exactly like you hoped either. So, like, we're in this together, you know what I mean? So I hot glued this on here, and now it's like this. How cute is that? Now, don't pay attention to all these bubbles, okay? Because once it dries, I'm going to take a little sanding block, and I'm going to, do all this. And I think we need a bow. Because I think this just needs a bow, because a bow makes everything better. Do y'all think it needs a bow? And Tiffany says add a letter to it when it's done. It'd be really cute with like an R in it. That would be really cute. I don't know what I have that I could use, because I can't be going to no store. Well, it's not that I don't have enough here anyway, but I would have to figure out what to do in it. So let's do a bow for now until we can figure out something later. I may go back and add to it later. I've got my little craft card over here to the side that's got my ribbon, or at least some of my ribbon. So I've got this ribbon, which will be awesome because I just love this. It's so cute. Got kitchen scissors because, hello, I don't know where my other scissors are again. It's always the case. I don't know where the scissors go. They're like socks and Tupperware lids. I never can find the match to those. Where do they go? Where do they hide? When you do laundry, how do you lose all the socks? When you do dishes, where do the lids to the Tupperware go? Or why do you have 50 lids and nothing to put it on? I don't know the answer to that, and it drives me crazy. Okay, so, and then we've got this really cute Rick Rack ribbon. We're going to cut it with these old kitchen scissors. Such a hoot. It's going to be cute, though, I think. Hopefully. We can doctor it up enough to make it cute in the end. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Then I have this ribbon. I'm just pulling ribbon from over here. It is like lace, kind of. So we're going to do that. Cut it up. These are not good scissors, and they're not cutting good. But I want to know if anybody else ever has to use their kitchen scissors, so that I don't feel alone. Y'all probably don't in front of 3,500 people live, but, whatever. It's okay. Y'all, this is really cute ribbon, too. I'm almost out of... Oh, wait, no, I'm not. I've out lied to y'all. I'm not out. It's right here. I'm going to get some more of this, because this black and white stripe ribbon is where it's at. See? Yes. And that goes perfect with lemon. So if you're ever picking ribbon, this is like kind of how I do it. I'm just like, oh, that's cute. Oh, yeah, I like that too. I'm going to add that to it and just kind of go with it. I'm trying to see if there's anything else over here. that I want to use. These scissors are horrible. I'm going to say that again for the 10th time. Okay, so that's enough for now. So how I'm going to do this bow is I'm just going to take these 2 pieces of ribbon and crisscross them just like this. Okay? Then I'm going to take these 2 pieces, crisscross them on top of it. Then I'm going to take my yellow pieces and crisscross them. Because this is some cute yellow ribbon, y'all. Then I'm going to take this ribbon and crisscross it over the yellow. And then you would just keep doing that, okay? So then we've got it like this. Then I grab this piece of ribbon and I'm just going to stick, well, that's not white. That is, this is almost similar to the white I picked, but it's like a beige. So it stands out. So I need white if I'm going to do that because that was not a good pick. So I'm going to get some more of my white ribbon. Look, ain't even cutting it. This is sad. I just got brand new scissors and I love them, but I think they're out on the porch. Okay, so I'm going to take this piece, cross it over the top, flip it around, tie it as tight as I can, and that's my bow. Okay. Oops. Okay. You can make that noise if you want. I always do. Okay. Then you just tie it, okay? Now, this bow is cute. Hold on, let me show y'all. If y'all are new here, welcome. It's always like this. I'm always a mess because I want to tell you I'm not, but that wouldn't be true. But we do have fun. And you will be part of the family in no time. So be sure you're following along. I don't always use kitchen scissors. This is just what I have on hand right now. So forgive me. Okay, so it's like a rag bow kind of, but different. So it's super cute. It's going to look super cute on my my lemon picture. Oh, man. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue. Well, there they went. I'm going to put a little hot glue on the back of my bow and just hot glue it onto my canvas. That's all. Y'all can hot glue a bow on, okay? Ain't gonna hurt anything. Okay. I'm gonna kind of put it to the side. Kind of, you know, little side bow here. Don't burn your fingers like I just did. I'm gonna show it to y'all in just a minute. It's almost dry, but not quite. So I'm gonna wait till we get off the live before I like kind of distress it, because nobody wants to sit around and wait on that. Oh gosh. I'm gonna cut this, well, attempt to. Okay, that cut pretty decent. Just kind of trimming it up a tad. Okay, so here we are, the imperfect Mod Podge canvas sign with a napkin. So this was my first attempt at Mod Podging with a napkin. It was a little bit rough, okay? It's not exactly right, but we learned together. That was fun, and actually turned out fairly cute, honestly. It'd be really cute layering. Okay, so this is what I personally have in mind for it. On my coffee bar, kind of behind some of the stuff, kind of with a layered look. I don't want it up in your face like, hey, I got all kinds of wrinkles and like I'm missing some parts. But if it's back behind some stuff and kind of layered, then you're not right up on it noticing all of its imperfections and you think it's cute. So that's the goal. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to stick it on the coffee bar, I think. And then it's going to look really cute because I've got some yellow in there and I've got black and white stripe that I use in my kitchen. It's really cute. So this will look really cute. So here we are, guys. Hope y'all liked it. Thanks, y'all. Have an awesome Tuesday. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.